Most traders lose because they trade the 5-minute chart without even knowing what the daily chart is doing. So align higher time frame bias with lower time frame entrance is going to improve your strategy, and it's going to separate you from the losing trades to the winning trades. So here's an exact step-by-step model to find high probability entries. And the main reason I actually say that higher time frame is so important is, for example, look, we're in a downtrend over here, correct? Very nice. What do we see over here? Well, we have a 5-minute fair value gap. Okay, that's a nice entry, right? Okay, what do we have in a lower time frame? Okay, we have that inversion fair value gap that got confirmed. Beautiful. We have a fair value gap. Let me just mark this out. Fair value gap right over here. Perfect, right? This is a very beautiful V-shaped recovery. I'd want to see overall lower price, right? So we enter, stop loss right above the highs, take profit. We're going to target these lows. Well, let's see. How is this trade going to play out? We're going. Okay, fast forward time a bit. Stopped out. Now, why did I get stopped out over here? Because this is a nice trade, right? Well, let's go on the higher time frame. What are we doing over here? We are delivering off a 15-minute higher time frame for rally gap. Okay, let's go on the 4-hour time frame. What are we delivering off? A higher time frame for value gap. Guys, in what world would we want to go lower over here? There's no reason. We're delivering off a 4-hour fair value gap. We want to go higher in this case. There's no reason to go short. That is why first thing you always want to do when you come into the charts, you want to look at a higher time frame. So first thing is we look for, are we respecting bearish fair value gaps? Are we respecting bullish fair value gaps? In this case, we have a bearish fair value gap. What are we doing? Disrespecting it. So that's already telling me one thing, that we want to move higher. What are we doing? Respecting bullish fair value gaps. Oh my God, we want to go higher. Let's go to the 1-hour time frame now. What are we doing over here? Again, respecting bullish fair value gaps, disrespecting, well, in this case, we're actually disrespecting bullish, but you get the whole idea. We're respecting bullish fair value gaps and disrespecting bearish fair value gaps. Let's go to a 15-minute time frame. Now, this is where this indicator comes in to play. SND profile by TFO. I think I've named it so many times in other videos. It is a godly indicator. What are we doing over here? We're sweeping out Asia low. And in London, we sweep out Asia. What do we expect New York to do? Well, we expect New York to have the distribution higher, right? Like, if you guys haven't heard already, accumulation, manipulation, distribution. So what do we want to see over here? Let's go down to a 5-minute time frame. Let's see, what do we have? We have stacked fair value gaps over here. So let's see. Are we going to come back into the zone and play around? Okay, very nice. Let's go on a 15-minute. Nothing on the 15-minute to take a trade off, but on the 5, I really do like these stacked fair value gaps. So I'm saying in my head, okay, well, if we can get this trade off of these fair value gaps, this would be honestly a very beautiful entry. So let's continue pushing price forward. Oh, a little too fast. Okay, there we go. There we go. Tap inside of this fair value gap. Now we have the higher time frame confluence telling us we want to go higher. We have a lower time frame confluence telling us we want to go higher. Now let's go and look for our entry. What is the first thing I see? A manipulation leg. Now don't just take random inversion for value gaps. Take a manipulation and pair it with the inversion. And what do we want to do? What the hell? There we go. Okay, my bad. Then what do we want to do? You want to take your entry right when we make a full body close past the zone, which would be right over here. Take your entry, stop loss would go right below the body. And overall, go for a nice 1-to-1. There's no reason to be going for crazy RR trades. Just go for simple 1-to-1s, entry, bang, just like that. Confirm that, plop it in. And guys, it is as easy as that. And why did this work? Why? Because we're respecting a 4-hour bullish fair value gap. We are respecting a 1-hour bullish fair value gap, while we're disrespecting a bearish 15-minute. We have daily profile on our side. Accumulation, manipulation, distribution. Now let's see, what are we going to do throughout the day? I'd want to see us continue higher. Guys, Have higher time frame confluence on your side, and you're going to excel in the markets. You're going to excel. Higher time frame confluence is the key. If you don't trade without higher time confluence, you're literally trading blind in the market, and there is no succeeding. Now, another example over here. What do we see on the daily time frame? We are respecting this bearish fair value gap. We can break above it. The second we tried, we had a very quick rejection down. So, keeping this in mind, we're respecting a bearish fair value gap. Let's go to a 4-hour. What are we doing? Look left. Bearish fair value gap again, right? Right over here. You see it? You see it? You see it? Yeah. We're respecting it. We're having that push lower. Not only that, what are we doing? These two bullish fair value gaps, we're disrespecting it. We're pushing lower. Respecting bearish fair value gaps, disrespecting bullish fair value gaps. Let's go to a 1-hour time frame now. What are we doing over here? Disrespecting bullish. And are we respecting any bearish? Not in this case, but we are disrespecting bullish once again. Let's go down to a 15-minute time frame now. What do we do? London session swept out Asia. Now we're having that distribution lower. So overall, I'd want to see New York continue. And what would be my targets? My targets would be Asia low. So now on the 15-minute time frame, let's push price one candle above. And what do we see? A fair value gap, a bearish fair value gap. And what do we see? Go on a lower time frame. Let me just push price right over here. We can see on the 1 minute, we came all the way back in, respected the 15-minute fair value gap, and then had the distribution lower. And now I want to see price go all the way down to Asia lows. Now, guys, I cannot stress it enough. Higher time frame, go from the daily to the 4-hour to the 1-hour to the 15-minute. On the 15-minute, find your daily profile, then go on your entries onto 1, 2, 3, and 4-minute time frame for the entries. Guys, that's going to be that for today. Leave a like, subscribe, let me know in the comments what you think. And if you want me to teach you one-on-one, I got a link down below. I also do live trading down there, so go check that out. It's in my Discord. And yeah, guys, hope you have a beautiful rest of your day. Peace.